siya, baby. Then you can make also that one. I only make sounds.
Chef? How much your salary, chef?
Tindiram. You show everything. See? How powerful that light knock. No, we are sacrificing palastine. Next time if we have party, we can do it.
We had two. We can put the both sides.
Madam, your coffee.
See, madam assistant, chef assistant came.
Akong gihatag ay katong cheesecake luto. Guys, luto na yung barbecue namin. Dinner! So, after 21 days, guys, naka-stay na din kami sa aming terrace. And, inshallah, wala na ding mga ano. Sana tuloy-tuloy na to, God, no? So, ito, guys, nakapag-barbecue na din kami. And then, drinking wine after. Actually, nag-start na si Jog. Oh. Ang sarap ng barbecue, lalo na pag mainit. Diba? Ay. Tatlo. Sarap.